welcome to an unboxing and setup guide for the Gator G4KDVR30 Dash Cam. In this video, I will provide a quick overview of its features, show what's inside the box, show you how to install and set up the dash cam, and how to connect your dash cam to your smartphone. We will now take a closer look at the dash cam and accessories. Here we have the Gator G4KDVR30 with 32GB microSD card pre-installed. Underneath, the foam insert is a box containing the GPS antenna power cable, adhesive mounting bracket, 12 and 24 volt in-car dual USB adapter, spare mounting adhesive for the dash cam, and the product manual in various languages. Let's have a quick look at the G4KDVR30 Dash Cam. Installing the Gator G4KDVR30 consists of two parts: the installation in your vehicle and the setup using your smartphone. Installing the G4KDVR30 into your vehicle is simple. Slide the mounting bracket onto the dash cam, peel off the adhesive to mount the dash cam on your windscreen, typically behind the rear view mirror. Twist the lens so that it's facing forward. You can properly line up the camera when connecting to your phone via the Gator Dash Cam App. If you've purchased the G4K30RC reverse camera, the procedure is the same when installing the rear view camera. Since the G4KDVR30 supports GPS, we use the provided cable that has both the GPS antenna and power cable combined into one. It may be easier to slide the dash cam off the mounting bracket to insert the cable. Insert the micro USB end of the GPS power cable into the micro USB socket of the dash cam. Remove the adhesive of the GPS cable and fix it to the window. Connect the other end of the GPS cable into the dual USB power adapter and plug it into the power socket of your vehicle. Connect the G4K30RC to the back of the G4KDVR30 if applicable. The button on the side allows you to toggle the LED indicator off or on. We can now move into the second part of the installation. All our current Wi-Fi Gator Dash Cams use the Gator Dash Cam app for iOS and Android. If you'd like to have a step-by-step guide on how to connect to your Gator Dash Cam using our app, please click the link in the description. The video will show you all you need to know and how to set up and manage your Gator Dash Cam. The steps are the same, but when connecting to your dash cam over Wi-Fi, make sure to connect to the G4KDVR30 and use the password 12345678. There you can adjust the settings of your dash cam. That sums up the unboxing and setup guide for the Gator G4KDVR30. You can stay up to date on the latest products by subscribing to this channel and visiting our website, gatordriverassist.com.